At WireCo, our experience through Lankhorst means we proudly bring over 2 centuries of expertise in the manufacturing of ropes, yarns, and engineered products. And while we enjoy a rich past, today we look to the future.
Innovations, that is in our veins. We work together with universities. We have a big R&D department. We generate a lot of data. So the innovation is extremely important for us.
We are the world's leading supplier of synthetic fiber ropes for the maritime, fishing, and offshore industries. And our strategically located facilities in Europe, Brazil, and the US allow us to deliver high-performance ropes for mooring, towing, and fishing like no one else can.
Our mission first is to serve our customers, keep our customers happy, and really go after what they are looking for.
A client that comes to us and say, I need a product that has this X performance with these X characteristics.
We're not selling standard products, we are selling solutions, engineered solutions. That's what we do.
Lankhorst has a history of evolving, adapting our technical and manufacturing resources to meet challenging customer demands and market conditions. But through it all, one thing has never changed. We have always been, and will always be, a dedicated group of passionate, specialized people who will do anything to help you succeed.
When a customer comes with a fast-track project, we can always react, we can always serve the client, we can always provide him with the product when he needs, as he needs, whatever in the world that he needs.